Yo, welcome back again on the Betong's Media. I'm your guy, the Betong. Today, we're going to look at market updates. What is happening in the crypto market? Bitcoin might hit 16K anytime soon. Trust me, and Ethereum also might hit $800. That is something which can happen. And if that happens, I want you guys to be prepared, to be ready to take advantage of the market. All those of you who are watching on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. So you wanna go on YouTube right now and search for the Betong Media. There you're gonna find what I'm doing, so you can see my screen, and so on and so forth. So guys, you're welcome. Let's go right away to see how Bitcoin is, the chart of Bitcoin. Let me remove me and bring me down a little bit so we can see this properly. Guys, look at this right now. I drew this trend line. Let me there's this buy notification here that you see this line here. If I see Bitcoin above this line, then I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin is gonna go up again before it come to retest this 20,000, this 16,000 price point. But now, guys, you've seen when I do this. This is the 50 minutes time frame. Those of you who follow my platform, then I believe you would have been making money looking at this trend line. Following this trend line. You can see Bitcoin is following this trend line. It started from here, and it is going like moving in this manner. That's how the crypto market moves. And for those who are investing for the long term, this is considered as accumulation zone, right? You are accumulating, you are trying to get more of Bitcoin so that if the price goes to the upside, you're gonna make some awesome profit. For me, I believe that we might see Bitcoin. When you look at all the indication, it shows that Bitcoin might hit, might go right up to 28K before coming right down to 20K. I mean 16K. Because guys, 1 minute, please. Let me. I just wanna use my mobile data. I think I'm having some issues with connection right now. So let me use my mobile data so I can connect with you guys. I think right now I'm connected again. All right, guys. I think I'm connected again. So if say you are watching on TikTok, go right now on YouTube. If say you want to see my screen, what I'm doing, go and subscribe. All right, guys. As you can see, look at this trend line here. I drew this one. Let me just see if I can, take it a little bit upper. So we can see. Let me see. Yeah. So when you look at this, you see we saw that the trend continuation ended here, and we break this level. So what do we expect right now? We expect a downtrend, right? A downtrend, a downward movement. So if say Bitcoin don't go, like, if say we hold this support at 20, these are 2020 point. Let me just say 20K. If say we hold Bitcoin at 20K, then we might see Bitcoin go back to this 25K level and break it, then go right up to 30K before coming right back to test 16K. Or maybe it won't do that. It just come like from here. If we break this level again, then we might see Bitcoin go right down to 16K or 18K. That will happen. So we don't want to see Bitcoin break this other support here. If say Bitcoin breaks this support, then we're gonna see Bitcoin go right down to 19,000. So you guys can keep some cash aside to buy other altcoins, because the play here is to. I always love to play with the charts of Bitcoin and Ethereum because it gives me opportunity to buy other altcoins. The altcoins are gonna move up to the upside more than Bitcoin. If say I'm seeing Bitcoin like going like falling like 10%, then I'm gonna look for altcoins to buy. I know that altcoins are gonna always outperform Bitcoin because they have more upside than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is so big, and these guys, they are still young, so they're still coming up. And also, when you look at Ethereum, let's go to Ethereum. We see that Ethereum is doing the similar thing, and it's moving around this trend line. So if say you want to buy Ethereum, I think we might see Ethereum come right down to 14,000, like 1,400, or up to 1,200. We might see Ethereum come right up to this level, and yeah, to retest this support level, and it might break. It's still within this trend line. Ethereum is still trading within this trend line. So you guys can see, I I have been trading Ethereum ever since it fell right down to 800. I've been, following this trend line, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. And if you say you do this, guys, you're gonna make money within the market. There's no way you wouldn't make money in the market. Hi, those of you who are on TikTok, if you say you wanna see my screen, what I'm doing, you should go on YouTube at the Betong Media. Go to YouTube, the Betong Media, the same name, the Betong Media. Then you're gonna find what I'm doing. You're gonna see exactly what I'm doing. So guys, to me, I think we might see Ethereum come right down. But if say Ethereum come to retest this support here and breaks it, then it might go right to 800. But I don't think now is the time, because we are expecting the Ethereum merge. So I think it will be after the merge. But if say nothing happens right now, then after the merge, we're gonna see this the Ethereum goes right down to 800 or maybe 500k. No, not 500k, $500, right? And if say we move further, you're gonna see that Binance Coin also is following the same trend as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I love Binance because most people don't understand the potential of this token, the growth. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. And looking at how BNB has really grown is a sign for me to realize that, there is an opportunity here to make money with BNB. You can see this trend line here, guys. I mean, if say you really want to make money in cryptocurrency, you need to connect with people who can help you throughout the process. And see this trend line that I drew here gives you a mindset on how you can take trades, how you can buy, when you can sell. You see, I drew this here, and I was expecting Bitcoin to, BNB to break, and it did break. And ever since, I've been looking for a trend to follow and start making money. So this is the daily chart. You can see that after how many days, after almost 2 weeks, before you start seeing Bitcoin, BNB start building this momentum to the upside, and now it is stuck at this support level. If it breaks this support level, then we can see BNB go right up to $400 per BNB. So this is what you should take note of. Looking at some crypto news today, you can see that Bitcoin and Shiba Inu payments reach Latin America as Binance Card debuted in Argentina. So you can see that Latin America is growing so big when it comes to the currency. We are seeing more investors coming on board. We are seeing governments taking control in terms of passing out regulations to build a sustainable crypto environment for their citizens. And this is good in the crypto space in a sense that when we see more adoption, we see more growth, we see more investors coming in, we see more money pumping into the crypto market. We're going to see more gains. Those of you who are buying cryptocurrency right now, you're going to see more gains in the future because you are buying right now. So if you say I'm going to be doing a series soon where I educate you guys on how you can manage a portfolio. Let's say you have $1,000 or $100, you want to build wealth with it, like invest in cryptocurrency. I'm going to give you guys different ways that you're going to go about investing, buying the right project at the right time. If say you follow what I'm doing, what I'm saying always is to follow what I'm doing, because what I'm doing is something I've learned over the years, and I always want to help people to make money online and to make money in a market which is emerging like crypto. There's so much opportunity here, and I want everyone to get involved and make something. You can build something over the years. Imagine if you say you bought Bitcoin 10 years back, you should be a millionaire right now. What Bitcoin at about 13 years back was just $1 per Bitcoin. Imagine how much Bitcoin costs now. And you hear people will say Bitcoin is going down, down, down. Guys, no, don't believe that. Somebody is always making money when the market goes up and down. I did a video yesterday about volatility, how the crypto market is volatile for beginners. You guys should go and watch that video. If you are watching on TikTok, go right now on the Betong's Media, the Betong Media, the same name, the Betong on TikTok. Go to YouTube and follow me there, because I always share my screen so that you can see what I do every day to help you make better decisions for your trade. Of course, I don't give education. I don't give financial education all what I do here is for educational purpose only. I want to help people. I want to educate people to get to that point where they can make something for themselves. So those of you who want to really get involved into cryptocurrency, like you want someone to guide you from beginning to end, like all through the process. I wish I had someone when I when I begin trading or investing in cryptocurrency. But right now, I want to help people out there. So those of you who are looking at this, you can take advantage of this, of news like this. These are fundamentals of the in the crypto space. And those of you who want to build something sustainable, you can take this, and make something for yourself. You see, also Celsius filed a lawsuit against ex investment manager over stolen asset worth millions of dollars. Lots is going on in the crypto space, and as you see bad news, we also see good news in the space. And this is something healthy in an industry which is so volatile and still young. Crypto is still young, not up to 2 decades, where we see other assets have been more than a decade, right? So this is an asset class which is still growing like every day, every day, every day. And we see Bitcoin price trades heavy while BTC could soon test 20K. Well, it has already tested 20K. We are looking now towards, let's say, 28K and also 16K or 18K. This might happen anytime soon. So I think you guys can go through all these fundamentals and also the technical analysis to make better decisions on your trade, when you want to buy, when you want to sell, and so on and so forth. So this is what I got for you today. Those of you who are watching on YouTube and you haven't yet subscribed to the Betons Media, come on, what are you still waiting for? Go right now and smash the subscribe button. Tomorrow, same time again, I'm gonna come live earlier, I think later in the afternoon by 4, to talk about what is going on in the market as well, or share different, something that will enable you to build that momentum to always want to make something in the crypto market. So this is it for today, and I want to wish you guys happy day. Bye bye, guys.